Two legends, one debate. Ronaldo versus Messi, but not the facts you already know. Cristiano Ronaldo is pure power and precision, explosive pace, unmatched heading, and a shot that breaks nets. Unknown side, Ronaldo studies biomechanics. He tweaks sleep cycles, recovery routines, and even foot placement to gain tiny advantages. Off the pitch, he's intensely private, but famously generous, donating millions to hospitals and disaster relief without cameras rolling. Lionel Messi is magic in motion. Close control, impossible dribbles, and vision that bends defenses. Unknown side, Messi is obsessed with simplicity. He trains to reduce touches, not add flair. Quiet off the field, he's deeply loyal, sticking with childhood friends and staff for decades, preferring trust over fame. Ronaldo leads with fire, vocal, demanding, built on relentless self-belief. Messi leads with calm, speaking through actions, lifting teams with composure. Different styles, same greatness. Ronaldo proves greatness is crafted. Messi proves greatness can be natural. History needed both. Subscribe if you love Ronaldo, like if you love Messi. Comment, who's your GOAT?